Got a box from HKS today. So it looks like the HKS Super Turbo Muffler that I put on my Yaris, there were some problems with the mounting, and it causes the muffler to move around, and it actually melts the plastic on the back of the bumper. So they put it on their website. I called them and they sent me a new bracket that fixes it. And then I also asked them, what about the bumper? And they said to go get a replacement bumper and basically turn in the receipt to them, and they will make a deposit into my bank account and actually pay for the damage to the bumper. So haven't done that yet, probably order that here soon, but very pleasantly surprised that HKS is admitting their mistakes and willing to take care of it. So we got a new bracket, and got some bushings and some parts, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Okay, today we're gonna put in the new bracket stay for the HKS muffler. Due to the fact that it moves too much and it actually rubs on the bumper and partially melted the side and ends. Now HKS has found this fault and they are sending free brackets. And also when I talked to them on the phone, they said that they would pay for the cost to replace this piece here. Now I have bought the piece. I've got the piece, already ordered it from Toyota. Have it sitting here. I did send the receipt to HKS and I'm just waiting. Supposedly they're going to deposit the money into my Japanese bank account. So we'll see what happens with that. But let's go ahead and get started and remove the muffler and then put the new stay in. So this is the stock one, and this is the HKS. Basically look the same, but you can see I'm squeezing pretty easy on that one. And this one doesn't even move, so much harder. And I'll just throw one on the other side. There's a new bushing up there. And we got the new bushing here. Now we got to take these bolts off and mount the new bracket. Those are spot welded, so make sure take it off from the back side.